The new week begins with the COVID-19 surge continuing with 1,168 new cases reported today. Utah's 7-day average, just over 1,200 cases per day. The weekly positive rate now at 14.4%.
Health officials also confirmed 3 new deaths. That brings the pandemic death toll to 546. Right now, 288 COVID patients are being treated at local hospitals. 103 are in the ICU. The spike in patients is forcing one hospital in Utah to take drastic measures.
Intermountain Dixie Regional Medical Center in St. George now operating a surge ICU to help care for those fighting the virus.
News specialist Tanya Dean is live with how the strain is being felt by those on the front lines. Tanya?
Yeah, Dave and Deanie, officials with Intermountain Healthcare say the ICUs in all of their hospitals statewide are filling up. However, the recent surge of cases in southern Utah means they had to go to Plan B. Dixie Regional Medical Center has seen an extreme rise in COVID cases recently, so much so that yesterday they opened a surge ICU to help with all the additional patients. Health officials say all the ICU beds at Dixie Regional are full, so they expanded the ICU with existing space they had inside the hospital. However, more beds are not the only answer. Officials say they're concerned about the doctors and nurses needed to run the ICU.
They're tired. They've been going and going and going. And again, during this surge, it's been consistent for the last probably month now. And before that, we had ongoing issues as well. But really, the last 3 to 4 weeks have been very high, and it correlates with the return to school.
Intermountain Healthcare officials say a majority of the new COVID cases they're seeing are 15 to 24 years old. This isn't the age group that is needing hospitalization, but officials say they're passing the virus on to older family members and the community. They say rising cases and hospitalizations continue to be a huge concern across the state. Now, health officials say the only way to stop the surge in cases is with your help. They ask everyone wear a mask in public, avoid crowds, and isolate if you're feeling sick.